Sige. So, what are some lessons that you took away from playing Miranda in Saving Grace?
Kasi mataray siya, di ba? Tapos, meron siyang issues kasi from her past na she's so guarded because of that.
No.
Parang yun na yung buhay niya. Tapos, ang naging, siguro, gamot niya sa lahat, coping mechanism niya, yung pagiging workaholic niya. My character has only reiterated to me na kailangan may balance talaga sa buhay. Hindi pwedeng gano'n. You don't deal with a problem like that. You can mask it for a while, but it's going to surface. Okay, ikaw naman, Jenny.
Si Helena, her coping mechanism, medyo dun siya ngayon. Because she is everyday faced with so many things. Yung pinatago niya, araw-araw niyang nilalaban. She needs to fight that battle every day. Siguro the lesson there is you cannot keep things bottled up inside.
You have a heart attack.
Kasi may mamamatay ka talaga kaagad. So dapat nire-release mo yan.
Were there scenes that we did together that really stuck with you?
Yes. Ano kasi ako I'm more for the quiet scenes.
Yeah.
More than our loud confrontation.
Kailangan kasi meron
Meron nga tayo mga scenes together, hindi nga tayo nag-uusap, pero titinginan lang tayo.
Oo.
Mas gusto ko yun. Because it says more.
Ako, the one in the terrace, kasi, panoorin niyo po kasi hindi na yung makwento.
Hindi masyado.
Oo, yung
But it says more, di ba?
Yes, kasi parang may ano pa, hindi kami pwede sumigaw, kasi kunwari maririnig kami. So,
what do you admire about each other? I think ako, the way I see you, you work very hard. As in, you work very hard. Yes. You have this generous heart. I think you like to give always.
Yeah. I like seeing people happy.
Oh,
and parang magaang yung set. Kasi especially in this series, Chumis, parang maging family. Parang ang gaang.
I don't know if people realize that when sa working situations
Oh
natin,
gosh, oo.
especially nung nagla-lock in, we're the first people that we see, and yung last people na nakikita mo ba?
Morning till night. It's just nice that you're working with people who are also not only great at what they do, but who are also fun to work with. That's so important.
I think pinaka-importante yung fun to work with. Kasi madali yung katrabaho mo lang, pero yung katrabaho mo, tapos of course, kasama mo buong araw, kaya kayo mag-communicate.
Oo, masaya. Ako, what do I admire about you? I always look forward to seeing you on set, especially when we have something to do together. I guess it's because we grew up kind of in the same era. So we come from what I call now old schools, di ba? Compared to the kids now. So parang feeling ko meron na agad connection na special. Tapos, when I first did a scene with Janice, you have to see her in person to know what I'm talking about. Her eyes I get lost in her eyes. Sa artista, I feel it's so important. Nakikita mo yung biglang maiiyak ako, tinitignan lang kita. Parang ang ganda sa artista and ang galing na artista ni Janice. So parang, when I'm working with her, nadadala ako. Because she's so good, because you're so good, nakakayang hindi ka rin giving your best.
Meron pa ako, what I admire about her, meron kasi mga bagay na hindi ko kayang gawin, kagaya ng pagkanta. So yun na lang, wala kinalaman sa role, pero yun na lang, doon wala na, zero na ako.
Thank you.
Okay, so kwento ko na nga. So nung bata ako, gusto ko talaga maging singer. Umaarte ako nung nagko-concert ako. May cassette kami. Tinitape ko yung mga naririnig ko sa radyo. Isa yung mga tinitape ko, Mr. DJ. So, nagpo-concert ako talaga. Tapos thank you. Thank you everyone. Nagpapasalamat ako sa mga fans ko noon ng concert ko.
Kinikwento niyo sa akin.
Tapos kakanta ako ng Mr. DJ.
That's so heartwarming.
So, it's really,
thank you. This is the first time we have gotten to work together. Remember when we were talking, oh my God, there's things in common. Yung pagka-personalities namin.
So, surprisingly, di ba?
Yeah, kaparihan mo ni Gabi.
So, but we love to cook, we love to eat. So many things. So, not relate. How did you get into the headspace of playing Helena?
Hindi ko alam kasi we read our script, but I don't like to read it too much because I don't like to overread.
And they change it.
And they change it naman eh. So you
On
wait till
set.
you get on set.
Mm.
So you actually hear your director's vision. So
Yes.
you can collaborate on how to play the role. So that when you play it, iisa kayo ng wavelength.
So, ako naman, because Miranda is a character unlike any other I have portrayed in my whole career, I really, really invoked the name of Sherry Hill. Because I said, oh my God, there's so many aspects. Oh my God, how would Sherry have done this? Sherry always had a very powerful presence in our movies. I used to tell her, ikaw talaga yung kalab team ko. Because we were very close and then we
worked very
oh yeah, she was my perfect partner. And we were supposed to do a series that was gonna be the sequel to Gupin Mo ng Ningning. Na may mga anak na kami. Unfortunately not. What we didn't expect to happen happened. But all throughout my portrayal of Miranda, especially the earlier scenes, bago siya bumalik sa dash. Oh, siya talaga. Siya talaga. So yun, that was one way, di ba, no? That was one way I really prepared myself also. So, you can imagine this role of Miranda, if you've seen any of my work in the past, you can imagine this is totally different. Parang, so I'm excited also to see Saving Grace is now streaming on Prime Video.